Hey everyone, welcome back to Fit Ostrich, where we dive deep into the world of fitness, busting myths, and bringing you the facts to help you on your fitness journey. Today, we're tackling 5 common fitness myths that have been floating around, causing confusion and sometimes even derailing progress. So, let's get right into it and start debunking. Myth number 1, you can target fat loss areas. First up, the ever-popular myth of targeted fat loss. Ever heard that you can burn belly fat with crunches? Well, it's time to bust this myth. The truth is, while exercise can certainly help you lose fat, it's not possible to control where that fat comes from. Your body decides that for you, distributing and burning fat based on genetics, diet, and overall activity level. So, instead of focusing on one area, aim for full-body workouts for a balanced approach to fitness. Myth 2, no pain, no gain. Next, let's tackle the no pain, no gain mindset. While it's essential to push yourself, pain is not an indicator of effectiveness. Discomfort? Sure, that's part of challenging your muscles to grow. But pain, especially sharp or persistent pain, could be a sign of injury. Listening to your body is crucial. Remember, progress comes from consistency and smart training, not from pushing through pain. Myth number 3, the more sweat, the better the workout. Moving on to myth number 3, the belief that a good workout is measured by how much you sweat. Sweat is simply your body's way of cooling itself down, not a barometer for how many calories you've burned or how effective your workout was. Some people sweat more than others, and various factors like temperature and clothing can affect how much you sweat. Focus on your workout's intensity and duration rather than the sweat factor. Myth number 4, stretching before exercise prevents injuries. Now, on to the 4th myth, that stretching before exercise will prevent injuries. While stretching is an essential part of fitness, the key is knowing when to stretch. Dynamic stretches are great before a workout to prepare your body for activity. However, static stretching is best saved for after your workout to help with cool down and flexibility. Stretching cold muscles before a workout might actually increase your risk of injury. Myth number 5, you need to spend hours in the gym. Lastly, the myth that effective workouts need to be long. In reality, you can achieve significant health benefits from shorter, more intense sessions. It's all about how you use your time. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, for example, can yield impressive results in a fraction of the time compared to traditional longer workouts. It's quality over quantity. So there you have it. 5 common fitness myths, debunked. Remember, fitness is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. The key is to find what works for you, stay consistent, and always be open to learning and adjusting your approach. Thanks for watching Fit Ostrich. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our fitness myth-busting sessions. Until next time, stay strong, stay informed, and keep pushing forward on your fitness journey.